How's it going, guys? It's Rob, and we're out here on a trip. Just wanted to give you a run through of the Joolca hot tap. The Nomad kit comes with everything you need for a kitchen sink setup, along with a shower. Everything packs up into the tub for neat organization and transport. Included in the kit is a sink head attachment and a shower head attachment. Comes with a stand for easy placement anywhere you'd like. The next step is to connect the Joolca to the tub using the supplied hoses and 12-volt pump. On the bottom of the unit are quick connects for both water and propane, and the last step is to connect the 12-volt pump. The last part of assembly is adding the side trays on. Now that everything's set up, it's a simple one-button touch, and the unit automatically ignites for instant hot water. Just to show you guys how well the drying rack drainage system works.